Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread for weight loss step by step. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, mash 2 ripe bananas, and measure out swaps like applesauce and Greek yogurt. Mix dry ingredients separately, stir wet into dry just until combined, fold in a few chopped nuts or cinnamon for flavor, pour batter into a greased loaf pan, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Swap ingredients thoughtfully to keep taste while lowering calories. Use 1/2 cup unsweetened applesauce for oil and choose 1 cup whole wheat plus 1/2 cup oat flour for added fiber. Replace refined sugar with 2 tablespoons honey or 1 tablespoon maple syrup and add 1/2 cup Greek yogurt for moisture and protein. These swaps maintain moist texture and help control portions, so your slice supports weight loss goals without sacrificing flavor. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread for weight loss step by step. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while measuring ingredients and snacking smart, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle that fits lifestyle routines. If you like helpful tips, subscribe and like to support the channel, check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow precise baking steps for the best loaf. Gently fold ingredients to avoid overmixing and a tough crumb. Bake at 350 degrees F for 45 to 55 minutes, testing with a toothpick until it comes out mostly clean with a few crumbs. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling so moisture redistributes. Slice into controlled portions for mindful eating and meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.